Handling future orders can be a game changer. Accepting and managing future orders empower you to plan ahead, allocate resources efficiently, and ensure smooth operations. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of placing and managing future orders in the Sapaad POS. Let's begin. Part 1. First things first, let's enable future orders. To do this, go to the Setup and navigate to Global Settings. Within Global Settings, locate the Others section. Here, you'll find the option to enable Accept Schedule Orders within the CRM category. Make sure it's toggled on. Fantastic! Now that future orders are enabled, let's move on to placing a future order. Part 2. To place a future order, follow these steps. Go to the CRM tab. Then enter the customer's mobile or telephone number in the search field. And click Search. Once you've located the customer, click the Place New Order button. Enter their order details, and click Place Order. Now, click the Schedule button. Choose the desired date and time for this order to be printed in your kitchen. You can also choose a referral, as well as a mode of payment. Double-check everything, and click Confirm. Great! You've successfully placed a future order. Part 3. Wondering where you can view all your future orders? It's simple. Just head over to Delivery Manager, navigate to Home Deliveries, and click on Scheduled. And there you have it. By enabling future orders in your Sapaad POS, you unlock a world of convenience and efficiency. Make sure to check out our video on adding a new delivery area in Sapaad POS. Want to learn more? Click on the link below to book a demo.